Hello, I'm Kaya Bullets and I'm here to give advice to you. If you like this video's content, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today's advice I give to you is that you can yawn with your mouth closed. Normally when you yawn, you open your mouth. It's generally considered good manners to cover your mouth when you yawn, but what if I could tell you that you won't even need to open your mouth? That's possible and I have done this multiple times, but it will take practice. To practice this, just try to keep your lips closed when you yawn. This may be difficult, but it will prevent you from needing to cover your mouth or having the inside of your mouth being seen when you yawn. Now you have an idea on how to yawn with your mouth closed if you didn't before.